What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to talk about IVR, which is Invesco Mortgage Capital. And this company right now is up almost 6% for today. It's at $3.39 currently. It's up 2.5% for the week, negative 1% for the month, up 23% in 3 months. But it's down negative 80% in 1 year due to the pandemic and everything going on right now around the world. And in 5 years, it's actually down 74%. Now, as you can see, before this happened, it was gradually growing from $9.99 to $15 to $16 to $17 to $18, and then it dropped a little, and it stayed steady right in the $15s and $16 range up until everybody knows what happened February-ish, and as a result, it definitely has gone down a lot, which is why I think this would be a good buy at the moment, and let's go over that. I believe this company is amazing because it is a holding company which engages in investing, financing, and managing residential and commercial mortgage-based securities and loans. They have $616 million market cap, a 33% dividend yield, which is just crazy right now, but that is due to their price decreasing over time. And they were founded in 2008. Now, they are negative in their earnings, and I say never invest in a company that's negative in their earnings. But right here, it looks like they might be earning some good money at the moment. Looks like they might be breaking even, and they might just be slightly under, but they were making a continuous 52 cents each quarter on their earnings before all this crazy stuff happened. It looks like I've got a dividend October 27th. I had 5.1 shares, and the amount per share was a nickel, so I got a total of 26 cents, which I reinvested back into the company. I also bought 2 more shares at $3.50, which brought my average cost down to $3.43. Now, right now, my total return, I am down only 6 cents, but today's return, only for today, I'm up 42 cents. So definitely came back from the dead on this. As you can see, the 3-month chart even is pretty good. It's coming back. Or if you want to see the 1-month chart, we're right back up to where we started. Look at this major increase here from December 22nd up to December 23rd. In 1 day, it's gone up dramatically. Now, it's only 1.44% of my investment portfolio. Market value is at $7.49. So I don't have a lot of money in this company right now. But with the high dividend yield, the high market cap, and then pretty much breaking even after this whole pandemic and still paying dividends, I am still interested in owning this company. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Trying out the new green screen here. If you like it, let me know. Basically, if you leave a comment or a like and you want to know more about this green screen, where I picked it up and how cheap it was to install, let me know. If you guys want to see a studio tour, let me know. Or any other investing videos, just let me know. Alright, thank you and have a great day.